MAGICL 6000 Chemiluminescence Immunoassay Analyzer. High-sensitive cardiac troponin I operation guide. Preparation before the startup. Preparing the experimental materials. Magnetics premixing tool. Reagent. Calibration rack. Reagent rack. Pipette. Piercing tool of reagent kit sealing film. Check the capacity of the waste container, the remaining volume of the cleaning tank assembly, and the activators 1 and 2. Boot up procedure. Turn on the main switch behind and press the power button on the right side. Click the OK button on the screen to enter the main screen. Wait for the machine to warm up. The machine cannot be operated when the small icon in the top left corner shows init or maintain status until it turns to standby. Reagent preparation. Open the kit. Take out the reagent and the high and low concentration calibrators. Leave the reagent on the magnetics premixing tool for a few minutes. Use the piercing tool to open the reagents. Uncover the reagent tray on the right side of the machine, insert the reagents and close the tray. Click on the Load Reagent option in the reagent interface. Tap Load Reagent in the reagent interface. Scan the RFID card. When you hear the beep sound, it means that reading is successful. Tap the Scan button in the corresponding position. Tap Shake and exit. After the instrument automatically scans and mixes the reagent is ready for sample testing. Calibration. Take out and open the high and low concentration calibrators from the kit. Add 1 microliter of pure water to each calibrator. During the operation, please pay attention to the experimental specifications and change the tip in time. Keep the calibrator at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes until all contents are dissolved completely. Shake it thoroughly and gently. Then, leave it for another 5 to 10 minutes. Open the calibrator. Take the calibrator and add it to the Hitachi cup. Place the Hitachi cup on the calibration rack and then place it in the sampling area of the machine. In the reagent interface, click on the Request Calib button. The pop-up screen allows you to select the sample type, the number of calibrations, etc., and click OK. Click on the calibration bar at the top to see the calibration task and click on Start at the top right corner to start the calibration. After the calibration process is done, you can check the calibration result in the Calib Result interface. Testing procedure. Place the sample on the sample rack, then place the rack in the sampling area. Select Request Sample to enter sample window. Enter sample rack number. Select the position. Select the test item and sample type. In Patient Info, you can edit the patient information. In Options you can select the dilution factor in the times of repetitions. Tap OK. The requested tests will be displayed on List window. Confirm that the information is correct and tap Start icon in the upper right corner to start sample testing. Test result. Tap the result button on the left to see the test results. You can check the result or change the patient information here. Thank you for watching.